Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the heart of human potential, guided by the brilliant insights of Adam Grant and his book, Hidden Potential, The Science of Achieving Greater Things. For too long, we've bought into this myth that talent is some kind of predetermined destiny, but Grant throws that notion right out the window. He shows us with real stories and fascinating research that our potential is far more malleable than we've been led to believe. It's about effort, mindset, and the environments we cultivate around us. Let's explore the key points from Grant's book and how you can apply them to unlock your potential. Trust me, it's there, waiting to be unleashed. One of the most liberating ideas in Grant's book is the concept of a growth mindset. When you believe your abilities are fixed, you become trapped by the fear of failure. But when you embrace a growth mindset, you see setbacks not as dead ends, but as stepping stones. Every expert, every innovator, every leader you admire, they all started somewhere. They honed their skills through years of dedicated effort, embracing challenges, and learning from their mistakes. Grant tells the story of two groups of students, both struggling with their grades. One group was praised for their intelligence, while the other was praised for their effort. Surprisingly, it was the effort group that showed the most improvement. They learned to see their abilities as something they could cultivate and grow. A growth mindset empowers you to take ownership of your development. Hard work is essential, but Grant pushes us to recognize the power of non-cognitive skills. Traits like grit, curiosity, and emotional intelligence play a huge role in determining long-term success. Think about someone you know who perseveres no matter what life throws their way. They have incredible grit, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and keep pushing towards their goals. Or consider the power of curiosity. Those who constantly ask why and how challenge the status quo and come up with innovative solutions. Emotional intelligence, the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and the emotions of others, is crucial in a collaborative world. These skills can be developed and are key to achieving success. You might be thinking, I can't do it alone, and you'd be right. Grant emphasizes the crucial role of supportive systems in helping us realize our potential. We need mentors who can guide us, coaches who can push us, and peer networks that inspire us. Think about the impact a great teacher can have on a student's life. They don't just impart knowledge, they ignite a passion for learning and create a safe space for students to take risks. Chapter 4. The Art of Deliberate Practice. Let's talk about practice, but not just any kind. Deliberate practice. This isn't about mindlessly repeating the same thing over and over. It's about pushing beyond your comfort zone, identifying your weaknesses, and focusing on improving those specific areas. Grant uses the example of musicians who engage in deliberate practice. They break down complex pieces into smaller chunks and focus on mastering those challenging parts. The same principle applies to any skill you want to develop. Deliberate practice is the key to unlocking mastery. Chapter 5. Embracing failure as a stepping stone. We're conditioned to avoid failure, to fear it, to see it as a sign of weakness. But Grant challenges us to reframe our relationship with failure. He introduces the concept of intelligent failure, where we view setbacks as valuable learning opportunities. Some of the most successful companies in the world embrace failure. They encourage their employees to experiment, take risks, and learn from their mistakes. Innovation requires iteration, and iteration involves some stumbles along the way. The key is to not let failure paralyze us. Instead, analyze it, extract the lessons it holds, and use those lessons to improve our approach. Every successful person you admire has faced setbacks. It's how they responded that made the difference. Chapter 6. The Power of Our Environment. We are profoundly shaped by the spaces we inhabit, the people we interact with, and the cultures we're immersed in. Grant highlights how supportive settings and positive role models can make all the difference in our growth. Think about the impact of a workplace that values learning and development. When employees feel safe to take risks and share ideas, they're more likely to innovate and thrive. Or consider the influence of mentors and role models. When we see people who look like us achieving great things, it expands our sense of what's possible. Our environments have a profound impact on our beliefs, behaviors, and potential. Chapter 7. The Beauty of Diverse Experiences. In a world that often encourages specialization, Grant makes a compelling case for the power of diverse experiences. He introduces the concept of T-shaped individuals, those with deep expertise in one area and broad knowledge in others. The most innovative solutions often come from connecting seemingly disparate ideas. When we expose ourselves to different fields and perspectives, we broaden our horizons and unlock new possibilities. Grant encourages us to embrace curiosity, step outside our comfort zones, and explore new interests. You never know where those explorations might lead, or what hidden talents you might discover. Chapter 8. Breaking Free from Self-Limiting Beliefs. We all have these voices in our heads, these self-limiting beliefs that whisper doubts and hold us back. Grant challenges us to identify and challenge these beliefs, to break free from the shackles of self-doubt. It's about shifting our internal dialogue, replacing self-doubt with self-belief. Our potential is not defined by external expectations, but by our own internal drive and determination. Chapter 9. Cultivating Grit and Perseverance. Talent is important, hard work is essential, but grit is crucial for long-term success. Grant builds on Angela Duckworth's work, defining grit as passion and perseverance for long-term goals. Grit is not about being naturally gifted, it's about developing the resilience to keep going when things get tough. It's about the unwavering belief in our ability to achieve our goals. Chapter 10. Embracing Lifelong Learning. In a world that's constantly evolving, the only constant is change. Grant emphasizes the importance of adopting a mindset of continuous improvement and embracing lifelong learning. The skills in high demand today might be obsolete tomorrow. The only way to thrive is to become lifelong learners, constantly seeking new knowledge and embracing new challenges. Learning is not a destination, but a lifelong journey of discovery and growth. Outro. Unlock your potential. In Hidden Potential, Adam Grant provides a practical roadmap for unlocking our capabilities. By adopting a growth mindset, engaging in deliberate practice, embracing failure, and surrounding ourselves with supportive systems, we can transcend our perceived limitations. If you're ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery, check out Adam Grant's Hidden Potential. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.